since we're in Yilan City, we can't afford to miss the most famous Cherry Valley roasted duck here. The Cherry Valley roasted duck is a dish created by the chefs of a famous hotel. The feast turns a duck into 5 tasty dishes. It attracts many local and foreign gourmets to taste the creative dish. Master Ayong.
Hello.
Master Ayong, are you about to cut the duck for me?
Yes, this is our Cherry Valley roasted duck. We raise our Cherry Valley ducks for 75 days. In contrast, Peking ducks are generally only raised for 48 days. Yes, because we raise them for 75 days, the breast will have more fat and taste juicier, so we make them into roasted duck. Now I'll cut the duck for you and show you the fat under the skin.
Oh, the juice is seeping out.
Yes, the duck is rich in fat. Most restaurants roast the duck in advance, and when customers come, they pour oil over the duck so the skin has less moisture and it doesn't taste as good as our duck.
Wow, I'm watching you cut the duck. The meat seems more tender and not too hard.
Yes, you can tell just by looking at the breast. The color of the breast is different from that of ducks roasted in advance.
Right.
When we first started selling this dish, more ducks were thrown away than sold because customers were often late. They didn't come on time. However, after the dish became famous, we started to ask customers to come and wait for the duck to be roasted.
Oh.
There was a reporter who was late for the interview, and I asked him to wait for another hour.
The delicious duck is the result of the chef's relentless efforts. It takes 40 hours to make the Cherry Valley roasted duck. The humidity and temperature needs to be controlled. Finally, it takes another hour to roast the duck to the most mouth-watering color and crispiness. There is the roast duck nigiri sushi, inspired by Japanese cuisine. And there is the sliced duck sanshing scallion roll, made by mixing Yilan sanshing scallions into the dough and adding tender duck meat. This feast is the ultimate enjoyment of sight and taste.
This is the famous roasted duck nigiri sushi.
Really? This one?
We wanted customers to eat the sushi in one bite.
Eat it like this?
Yes, it's easier to eat that way. The sauce is already added in. The flavor explodes in your mouth. The sushi has a lot of flavor. It's salty, sweet, and sour. It's hard to describe the taste.
Whoa.
That's why customers cannot forget the taste. They always want to try the dish again.
It's crispy on the outside, and there's cheese in it, giving it a distinctive taste.
Right, and after roasting it, the burnt aroma comes out. It is a creative dish that combines the characteristics of the Japanese cuisine, Western cuisine, and Chinese cuisine.
It's kind of like my identity.
Right.
It's very delicious.
That's like us. We remove the end of scallions and turn it into juice to make the roll wrap.
Oh, so the wrappers are made of scallions.
Right, it also contains fiber.
And that's why it's green.
We did not add food coloring. If you steam it too long, it will turn yellow.
Oh, I can taste the scallion in it.
So it's best to finish the rolls in 5 minutes. It turns yellow after 5 minutes. When you eat the roll, you will taste the wrapper first, and when you take the second bite, you will taste the duck meat.
This is delicious.
Yes.
And the scallion inside.
Are not spicy. Many restaurants in Yilan make scallion pancakes because our scallions are very famous. They mostly make scallion pancakes with lard. However, we don't use lard, we use duck fat. Pancakes made with lard harden over time.
Yes, but your pancakes don't seem to get hard.
No, they don't. They remain soft over time. Moreover, duck fat, similar to goose fat, is very good oil. They are the best animal oils.
Duck fat.
Yes, duck fat and goose fat are the best animal oils.
This tastes amazing.
The pancakes are still delicious even if they're cold.
This is the ultimate feast. The chef creatively turned a duck into multiple dishes. Each dish highlights the characteristics of the ingredients to the fullest. When you visit Yilan, don't miss the authentic Cherry Valley roasted duck. Otherwise, it would be a huge pity. Remember to make a reservation first because, as the chef said, here you wait for the duck. The duck doesn't wait for you. Hello? Master? Hi, what are you doing?
I'm making a gong.
You're making a gong. Why are you striking the center of the gong?
The center is called the navel of the gong.
The navel. The belly button?
Yes, the belly button.
Ooh, can I try?
Okay, give it a try.
Okay.
Here.
Like this? Am I holding it right? Or like this?
Both are okay. Raise your hand higher.
Oh, it's quite relaxing. I suddenly feel so relaxed. Okay, should I continue? Okay.
Okay.
Oh, am I doing it right?
Yes, now you finished almost 1/20th of the work.
Only 1/20th? So normally how long does it take?
It usually takes more than an hour.
More than an hour? How many years have you been doing this?
I have been doing this for more than 50 years.
You've been doing it for 50 years? It turned out that the master is the second generation owner of Lingwu Iron Works. Linking368, Master Lingwu, started his career as an iron worker. In 1985, he made his first gong for the Beigang Chaotian Temple. Since then, Lingwu Iron Works has become a household name in gong making. Linking368 is the second generation master. He continues his father's techniques of making exquisite gongs. His works are loved by many domestic and international religious groups and performing arts groups, becoming the iconic traditional craft of Yilan. Whoa. Master, do they make different sounds because of their size differences?
The smaller the area is, the higher its pitch is. Protruding gong navels produce high-pitched sounds. It's more protruding.
So the pitch is higher.
Yes, it will be higher.
It seems many circles on the gong. Did you make them?
That's the result of bass striking. I struck the copper base to increase its density, so it will produce thicker sounds. Think of flour. If you don't need the flour, it will stay soft.
Yes, it will stay soft.
However, if you need it, it will be firmer.
It'll be firmer.
The same goes for copper. You have to strike it to make it hard.
Oh, when I struck the bass, the sound was a little scary to me. In contrast, the sound of this is relaxing.
Right.
Why are Taiwan's gongs so popular abroad? People even make orders from you from abroad.
They love the sound of our gongs. Our clients include lamas from India, the Rinpoches.
Right.
When they recite sutras, Om Mani, they like to strike the gong.
Oh.
To resonate the Om 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 sound.
They like that sound.
They like the sound our gongs make. Our gongs can express the sound of many musical scales.
Right. The master has vast knowledge of gong making. He has a deep understanding of gong materials, and he uses excellent technique to create scales. I really admire his craftsmanship. No wonder the gongs produced here are popular at home and abroad. Being the pride of Taiwan, rewarding me for being a diligent student, the master gifted me a gong.
Okay,
Okay, 3 strikes?
strike after me. Good.
Oh. Master, are you not afraid of being struck by me accidentally? Oh, this is so cute. This is my gong. Will it make a sound when I strike it?
No sound.
No sound? It's just a nice accessory.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is really beautiful.
Right.
It turns out that what I can bring home is this little gong. I made this tiny gong myself. It's small and cute. The master drilled a few holes on it. After attaching some colorful beads, I have my beautiful tiny gong. I played the famous nursery rhyme in Yilan, Du Du Dang. with gongs of different scales. Thinking back on my trip to the old city of Yilan, it's really rewarding. I have witnessed the local people passing on precious cultural memories with their experience and skills. I've also seen old flavors and new flavors mixed to create the most unique flavor of Yilan. This used to be the old city of Yilan. However, as it integrates with the modern world, it really highlights its vintage and traditional beauty. In fact, this is also the most charming thing about Yilan City. There are many other towns in Taiwan worth exploring. I'm Christina. Which town will Linking368 Taiwan bring us to next? See you guys next time!
路途西经，充满生命力。我的决心，让代代延绵。过去现在，予未来无限。台湾发展，全世界倾斜。勇敢热情，脚步毋捌停。伫汪洋中，要游向未来。华丽转身，华丽转身，咱做伙华丽转身。伫汉子啊，心手相连下，拼出一片台湾。坚强勇气，坚强勇气，咱斗阵坚强勇气，成为一尾坚强有活力的台湾。